Days to go till due date. There's Mary. Oh, there's Rose. I think Mary has dropped off her back. What you think, Rose? Oh, ligaments. They ain't got much ligaments, but we had big thunderstorms last night. Lots of rain. We needed it. It was so dusty and stuff. So they're out of their pen so they can walk around today, get some exercise. Right, girls? Yeah, Mom. So, I don't know. We'll see. Nobody's showing anything yet. Right, Rose? Huh? You already had your cookies. Mommy already gave you cookies. I already gave you cookies. Boop. And a boop. Boop. You girls are so good now. Goodbye.